What if we told you that we could replace your printheads for absolutely free? Here's how. When you purchase Zebra certified supplies from MSM Solutions for your barcode printers, we will enroll you in Zebra's Printhead Protection Program to receive free replacement printheads for the life of your printers. So why should you worry about printhead replacement costs? When poor quality ribbons are used, low print resolution can result, leading to hard-to-read barcodes, and can even cause damage to the printhead, ultimately leading to downtime, which is the last thing your business needs. With decades of servicing barcode label printers, MSM Solutions has gained valuable insight into achieving optimal performance and long life in demanding applications that require direct thermal or thermal transfer barcode printing. Ask us today about enrolling in Zebra's Printhead Protection Program and receive free replacement printheads when you switch to Zebra certified supplies.